the middle of somewhere. The gunslinger's untamed bride, otherwise known as Sheila the Great. Those are real bullets, aren't they? One flew over the cuckoo's nest, and the birds rained down. The nightingale, the goldfinch, the thornbirds, all the birds in the sky, to kill a mockingbird. And then there were none, and no birds sang. The invention of wings, dead as a dodo, a midsummer's nightmare. How do we fix this mess? Dr. Zhivago, the help, fix this, sir. They live, fly away, blue skies and shining promises, much ado about nothing. A midsummer night's dream. All your books, together in one place. Kobo e-reading. Open up, kobo.ca.